Hello everyone. So today we'll go further in options. This series of basics of future and option, it will go for some more time. Then after we will start advanced section of future and options, in which we will learn different strategies, best strategies, and actually how to earn from market, and many eye-opener things which not freely available anywhere. Then we will see how to select a particular stock for the trade. Also, one excellent strategy for intraday, like to buy and sell on the same day, which I actually discovered after giving a lot of time. So this will be covered. Also, we'll learn how to select stock for long-term investment, how to do fundamental analysis of a stock, and many more things. So now let's come to the point. Let's start for today. So in last video we understood strike price. Now which strike price to choose, as every strike price has some premium. Now to understand it, let's take example of PFC. PFC is now trading at 85 rupees and strike price available are 80 rupees, 82.5, 85, 87.5, 90 rupees strike price, and so on. As a call option buyer, tell me which strike price will be at higher price or will be at higher premium, 87.5 or 90 rupees strike price. As a call option buyer, I am thinking that price of PFC will move up. That is the reason I bought call option. So PFC, whose spot price is 85 rupees, which is trading at 85 rupees. Spot price means current market price. So its spot price is 85 rupees, will reach to 87.5 first, correct? Then price will reach to 90 rupees. So probability of price of PFC to close above 87.5 is higher than to close above 90 on expiry day. Expiry date, that is the last Thursday of the month. So high probability means higher premium. So call option of 87.5 strike price of PFC will be at higher premium than 90 rupees strike price. Or in short, we can say that strike price which are closer to spot price has higher premium. So 87.5 strike price is closer to 85. So it has got a higher premium than 90 rupees strike price. So which strike price to choose is actually a trade-off between probability and price. Correct? Probability and premium. So near strike price options has higher probability to win. They have got higher probability to win, and so higher premium, while the far away strike price has lower probability and so lesser premium. So these are the basically a concept how to choose a particular strike price. So as usual, some exercises are given. Try to solve it. Remember, these are simple but very powerful exercise. This will help you to understand the concept thoroughly and you can provide answer or any doubt in comment box. So when we go in advanced section, you will not able to understand there. So basics are very much important. So guys, that's all for today. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye.